My name's Billy. You know, things have been happening lately, you know. First, our German friend Kurt got deported back to Germany. It's kind of a sad day. And this weird orange head guy kind of broke into our lives and ruined it.
So I found these kids, and they're walking down the street, and they seem pretty lonely. So they're desperate enough to take me in. So now whenever I hang out with them, I usually swipe a couple of their video games. No big deal.
I blamed my cat for all those missing video games. I think this might be the last time we hang out with that kid.
I don't like that new guy. I'm scared of new people. And his hair is so red and different
Hey,
colors.
George. I know you're afraid of me, so I thought that you'd like a new hoodie. Here. It's for you.
What the?
It was you!
No, I swear, it's that redhead kid. I don't lie. I'm scared of lying, so why would I do something I'm afraid of? Here, you can have him. You can have him.
Okay,
Oh,
let's go put him on the
oh.
Here, take this. Thanks.
Oh my gosh.
Kurt was recently deported. It came as a big shock to all of us. Who knew he was actually an illegal immigrant from Mexico, but they deported him to Germany as well. I wouldn't have guessed it.
Kyle.
Yes. What is wrong with you?
Come on.
Ah!
Guys, where are you going? He's still in the room.
So how exactly are we gonna prank these guys?
Do you know what chloroform is? You see, it's this wonderful stuff that I found out the other day. Alright, we got the rag, the magical monkey. All we need is that magical drug chloroform.
What's wrong with you, Brian?
Okay, guys.
What's wrong?
I don't remember.
Oh, okay. Wait, where's George and that redheaded kid?
Oh. The redhead kid kidnapped him. And then he told me not to tell anybody. Oh dear.
Wait, George was just kidnapped by a kid we hardly know.
I wasn't supposed to tell you.
And you didn't stop him. Why?
Oh. I didn't think about it that way. I actually did think about stopping him. But he said he'd give me 20 bucks if I didn't. Heck, I could use 20 bucks.
His parents will kill us if we lose him again. Remember last time at the amusement park when George just got lost in the funhouse?
Well, George is gone. We have to find them.
Oh, look who it is.
Thanks for not telling, bro.
Oh, no problem.